HORIBA presents the SZ100 nanoparticle analyzer, featuring a wide size range, high precision measurement, and a low cost of ownership. The SZ100 provides clear and simple analysis of nanoparticles, measuring the three important characteristics: particle size, zeta potential, and molecular weight. The wide range of applications includes APIs, formulations, oxides, ceramics, emulsions, nano-gold, water treatment, and many others. Particle size and particle distribution is measured by dynamic light scattering. The SZ100 uses a solid-state green laser to deliver more scattered intensity per milliwatt and have a longer lifetime than red lasers. The unique three-angle system of the SZ100 enables analysis of a wide range of samples under a wide range of conditions. Optical configurations can be automatically selected depending on the sample. The SZ100 predicts suspension stability by analyzing the charge on the particles, known as the zeta potential. Sample volumes as small as 100 microliters are measured using HORIBA's patented zeta potential cells, making it easier to measure precious or rare samples. Innovative graphite electrodes provide ultra-long cell lifetimes, reducing the total cost of ownership. The SZ100 is simple and convenient to use. Just place the cell in the analyzer, click on your method, the measurement begins, and then results are displayed and may be printed in easily customized reports. To ensure high-level, stable performance, HORIBA delivers products manufactured in accordance with rigorous quality control systems worldwide. HORIBA's particle team includes expert support from highly trained application scientists and engineers. Each SZ100 user has full access to support staff to assist with method development, data analysis, and troubleshooting. HORIBA has many particle technologies to measure particle size, particle shape, zeta potential, and surface area. Other particle size technologies such as laser diffraction might be more suitable for your particular application. HORIBA's experts will help you find the best fit for your application. To learn more about the SZ100 nanoparticle analyzer from HORIBA Scientific, please visit our website or email labinfo@horiba.com.